This is the beautiful Wiener Schnitzel, custom built and modeled, HO scale. The roof had to have taken at least 3 hours. Very nice signs, bushes, nice touch. Beautiful. Just a beautiful model. This is what you can do with the hobby. There are so many different options. Just really good stuff. I want to do that because I want you to see how it was made. Looks like balsa wood. Very nice paint structure here. And if you have any other questions, just let me know, and I can help out with all of your needs, all of your hobby needs, modeling needs. Really just anything, whatever you want to build.